Alright, so we're going to be measuring the conductivity of these substances, and I know that my meter is working because when I touch these two together I can see all 10 lights light up. So first we're going to test the solid wax, and hold on. 0 lights. Alright, now you will also need to think about if wax can dissolve in water, and so since we're just having a solid to look at, notice there's wax in there in water. Doesn't appear to have dissolved, so in case you didn't already know that, wax does not dissolve in water. Okay, moving on to the iron, solid, and oops, that's a good contact there. Hold on, just gotta make it actually touch. There we go. Got all 10 lights flashing. And I just keep taking it off of there. All right, that's good enough. Okay, so we've got rubbing alcohol. That is dissolved, and there are no lights lighting up. Whoops. We've got tap water. Oh, can't even see the meter. Ooh, so that is 3 lights lighting up for the tap water. So there is something dissolved in the tap water. It's your job to figure out what that is. Moving on down the line here, we've got unknown A. Wipe this off. So unknown A is dissolved. And, ooh, 10 lights. Look at that. Okay, so unknown A gets 10 for the conductivity. Moving down to unknown B. And no lights. Unknown B is also dissolved, so make note of that. No lights for that for unknown B. And we've got the cooking oil. So cooking oil, this is pure liquid. And we've got no lights for that. That's a liquid, cooking oil, no conductivity. Moving down here, so we've got copper sulfate as a solid and dissolved. So I'm going to measure it first as a solid. Get this closer. Get my hands out of the way. Nothing. Okay, so 0 conductivity for the... 0 conductivity for the copper sulfate as a solid. Now this very same chunk was put into water here to dissolve, so copper sulfate is capable of dissolving. Here's a dissolved sample. So notice though, all 10 lights are lighting up for the dissolved copper sulfate. So mark that down, 10 for the conductivity for copper sulfate. Then we are, oh, I poured out the distilled water. We'll come back to that one. We've got sports drink. So it's supposed to have electrolytes. It should be conducting electricity because that's what that means. And hold on, this meter. And that's getting a reading of 6. Very good. And just focus on this and you get okay. Lastly, we're going to do distilled water. So this is pure water. It's a liquid. So make sure you write that down. So this is a liquid, it's pure water, hasn't been mixed with anything else. And nothing. 0 for the conductivity. Okay, and that's it.